everybody out there in TV land. Welcome back to another Math Homework Helper Short. I am Max, and with me today is the amazing Mr. Teng. Mr. Teng, what's up?
Hey, Max. I'm glad to be back.
Oh,
we had a great first live show.
We sure did. It was fantastic. We had lots of friends here. We answered lots of questions for everybody at home. It was wonderful. We gave out lots of prizes, too.
Lots of prizes. I can't wait till the next one.
I know. It'll be here before we know it. So what do we have today there, Mr. Teng?
All right. So I'm glad you asked. So we're going to move on to Unit 4 here. And our kindergarten friends are working on different paths to addition, subtraction, and measurement.
Oh.
So to kind of get us ready for that, we're going to kind of go ahead and take a look at a couple of things from their home connection set from sessions 2 and 5.
Okay.
So we have some wheels here, we have some 10 frames, and we have addition problems. So let's go ahead and take a look at our first one, where it says 1 plus 1. What can you tell me about what you see in our 10 frame?
Let's see here. I see two circles, it looks like.
Yeah, they're actually wheels.
Ah, the wheels on the bus go round. Oh, sorry.
No, my daughter loves that song. We can sing that all day long.
Oh, that rhymes, Mr. Teng. Yeah.
You're right, it does. All right, so we have two wheels here, and we have 1 plus 1, and it's already written in, so we're just gonna go ahead and trace. I know that last round, when we worked on Unit 2, we did a lot of tracing numbers.
Yes.
So we're gonna do a little bit of that today, and we're just gonna continue to practice writing our numbers until we get super duper good at it.
That's wonderful.
All right, so we counted two wheels. We have 1 and 1, so 1 plus 1 does equal 2. So let's go ahead and move on here. We have 2 plus 2.
Oh, okay. So we got 2 on top and 2 on the bottom. And that would be 1, 2, 3, 4.
You're right. So we have 2 up top and 2 at the bottom. It's a pattern that we see, 2 plus 2. If we count them all up, that is going to be 4. All right, so boys and girls at home, I hope you're seeing that there is a little pattern here when we have the same number. This is called a doubles fact. So if we have 3 and 3, we're adding 3 plus 3. And just like Max said earlier, Max, how many do we have at the top?
3 on top.
3 on top. And how many do we have on the bottom?
1, 2, 3 on the bottom.
3 on the bottom. So it's a doubles fact. We're adding the same number twice. So 3 plus 3 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6.
6. All right, moving right along. Our next doubles fact here is going to be 4 plus 4. Max, describe what you see, bud.
All right, so I see 4 wheels on top and 4 wheels on the bottom, which makes sense because it's 4 plus 4.
All right, and that gives us 4, and 4 more is
8.
8. So boys and girls, you can count along with us here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Cool. This is fun.
Awesome. It seems like we have the same exact one here. You know what? Let's go ahead and take a look at it a little differently. So instead of looking at the top and bottom, is there another way we can see 4 and then another group of 4?
Oh, you could kind of see like the first 4 in like a cube.
Okay. Like that?
Yeah.
So we have a little square here with 4.
I should say, yeah, it's not cube, it's a square.
That's okay, Max. Cubes are kind of three-dimensional squares, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll get there when we get to like 4th and 5th grade maybe.
Man, that'd
right.
be awesome.
So we have 4 and 4, and that's going to give us the same thing, and that's going to be
8. 8 is great.
Yeah, because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 and 4 make 8. All right, last one here. Our whole entire 10 frame is filled up. So we have 5 plus 5. Max, what do you see here?
Well, I see 5 wheels on top, 5 wheels on the bottom, and we could count all 5 at the top plus another 5 on the bottom. That would give us 10.
Yeah, and we know our whole entire 10 frame is filled up, so that is going to give us 10.
Because it's called a 10 frame.
Yep, 5 and 5 is 10.
I love it.
All right, let's see what we have next. All right, trace the number and then go back and write it again.
Oh, cool.
We love doing this, don't we?
Well, we do. And Mr. Teng, I have to say, with all your practice you've been doing, you've been getting quite good at this.
Yeah, I'm pretty good at this.
Yeah.
I'd say I'm an expert at writing numbers now.
I would say you're a total expert, man.
It's too bad you can't come over and do this.
Well, you know, I got to give you something to do.
That's true.
Yep.
All right. Oh, that's terrible.
Oh, Mr. Teng, after I just gave you lots of props.
Yeah, my ego was too high.
Oh.
It was too big. Yeah. All right. So
try that again.
Let's try again. Let's see. Oh, it's so thick, but
that's
that
okay
works.
though.
That works. We covered it. We traced
that looks
it.
Good.
We traced it. Okay, so that's a 0. Everyone say 0.
0.
All right, now we're gonna go ahead and write it. All right, and then we have 1.
Well, that was good. 1.
And then we have a 2.
2.
Write it again. All right, then we have 3. Everyone say 3.
3.
I love writing 3s.
They're fun. Very good. Ooh, yours is like really creative looking.
4. Everyone say 4.
4. 4. Oh, that's a really good 4.
You like that one?
That is fantastic.
All right, and then we have 5. Everyone say 5.
5. This was a little hard. You got
Yeah.
straight lines and curved lines in that one.
I'm gonna go like this.
Ooh, there you go.
All right, and then we have 6.
6.
7.
Ooh, I love 7. 7.
And we have 8.
8 is great.
And then we have 9.
9.
And then our first 2-digit number is 10.
10.
Awesome. Great job, Max.
Oh, great job, Mr. Teng.
All right, let's see what we have next. We have fill in the missing numbers on the number line below.
Oh, I love Phil. Great guy.
That's a different spelling of Phil.
Oh, wait, sorry. This is a different person. This
Okay.
isn't a person.
So-
We're talking numbers now.
We're talking numbers and we're talking number lines.
That's
so
right.
something that we're going to see a lot moving forward in mathematics is going to be the use of number lines. It's a great model for us to be able to use to help represent our math.
Cool.
So here it's nice and some of them are written out for us and some of them are missing. So we have to fill in the missing numbers and we have to take a look and see what it counts by. So we have 0 and then we have 1 and after that is going to be 2. If we're counting by 1, what's after 2?
Let me see. 3.
3. So let's go ahead and trace that. 3, 4, and then now here we go. This is missing and nothing to trace. What's after 4?
Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5,
All
5,
right.
5.
And you didn't even have to look at that, did you?
That's right.
So hopefully, boys and girls, we're starting to get familiar with being able to count our numbers from wherever it is that you're starting with. So if I started with 4, for example, knowing what comes after 4 is going to be a great skill for us to continue to practice because that we know what comes before and what comes after.
Yeah, and knowing how to write it properly, too.
Yeah, so what comes after 4?
That would be 5.
All right, 5 again, and then we have 6, 7. Oh no, we're missing something, and then we have 9 and 10. So
It's
we're
one of
missing
my
one more
favorites.
number. What's your favorite?
8 is great.
8 is great. So we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
There it is.
Awesome.
Wonderful.
Well, I think that's all we have for today, kindergarten friends.
All right, so kindergartners, keep working on that math, and we can't wait to see you again right here on our next Math Homework Helper Shorts. Bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye.